Want to grow your business without spending a dime? If yes, then these 7 free business tools are game changers. Whether you're a startup, a small business owner, or expanding your business, these tools will save you time, increase your productivity, and grow your brand. Number 1. Notion, your best friend. First of all, Notion. It's like your second thought. Use it to schedule content, follow up with clients, create systems, standard operating procedures, SOPs, and more. It's elegant, customizable, and completely free for individual use. A mix of Google Docs and Trello, but cooler. Number 2. Canva. Design like a pro, even if you're not. Need logos, presentations, social media posts? Canva has you covered. It's the easiest way to make your brand look its best without hiring a designer. The free version is more than enough for 90% of people. Number 3. MailerLite. Free email marketing tool. If you're not building an email list, you're losing money. MailerLite offers 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month for free. Attractive templates, automation, and landing pages. Clean, simple, effective. Number 4. Trello. Simple and effective project management. If you love visual to-do lists, Trello is your new best friend. It's super easy to slice and dice. Use it for tasks, workflows, content calendars, whatever you want, solo or as a team. Number 5. CapCut. Simple video editing wherever you are. Creating content? CapCut is the perfect solution. It is completely free and incredibly powerful for recording videos on mobile devices and desktops. Perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, whatever you're after. Number 6. Answer the audience. Find out what people ask. This tool is a gem for SEO and content ideas. Just enter your niche, and voila! It shows you all the questions people are searching for on Google. Perfect for blog titles, YouTube videos, product ideas, and more. And number 7. Google Workplace. Drive, Documents, Sheets. Yes, the classic Google tools. They still can't be beaten. Make proposals, share documents, analyze data, all in one place. And did you know? It's still free unless you need advanced features. At last, these 7 free tools to help you grow faster, work smarter, and look professional. No excuses. No credit card required. Like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.